Hello everybody, my name is Mike Gust. I'm the owner of American Wall and Tire. A couple things. I want to take a few minutes to let you guys know that we are open, and also want to let you guys know that we're following all the CDC rules and regulations. We've created policies that are going to be posted on Facebook, Instagram, and also posted in the store that are going to let y'all know what we're doing. One thing that we've done since we're self-isolated, we've created a valet service. This valet service you can call in, talk to a sales representative, and they can set up a time to come pick your car up, fix it, do what we need to do to it, big or small, it doesn't matter, and we'll bring it back to you fixed and taken care of. At this time, all we want to do really is take care of our customer and also keep our employees safe. We're cleaning our store continuously. We're making sure that everything's right there. And so at the end of the day, we're just trying to help Houston get through this. If anybody needs anything, please call me at 713-682-1085. Again, I appreciate you. God bless everybody. Let's get through this. Thank you very much.